Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. In the previous video, we have studied the singular pronouns, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go ahead and watch the video. I'll link it down somewhere on the screen and on the description box. So today we're going to study the plural pronouns. They're not so different from the singular pronouns, so don't worry, they're quite the same. Let's see our first pronoun. We are. We are. Hum hai. Hai is just the conjugate form of the verb hona, to be. And the hum will always end with hai. So it's just how it is. So you have to kind of memorize it. Let's say hum family hai. Hum family hai. Family in Urdu is actually family, so you can say that it's very colloquial. Let's say insert an adjective here. We are brave. Hum Bahadur hai. Hum Bahadur hai. Bahadur hai. Hum Bahadur nahi hai. We are not brave. Hum Mia Bivi hai. Hum Mia Bivi hai. Hum Mia Bivi hai, which means we are husband and wife. Mia means husband and Bivi means a wife. Hum mehman hai. Hum mehman hai. We are guests. Now, if you notice the second plural pronoun tum and aap, it is quite the same as the singular pronoun. There's no difference between them. The difference is with the pronoun that you're with the nouns that you're using, because in Urdu the nouns are different in their singular form and different in their plural form. So that's how we know that we're talking to multiple people. So right now you don't have to worry and just remember the same pronouns here. Tum log अच्छे हो. Tum log अच्छे हो, which means you guys are good. That's kind of a vendor outside if you're hearing a noise. That happens in Pakistan and India. The next sentence is aap meherban hain. You are good. Here we don't really have to kind of go in detail. Meherban hai, you are kind. Ye dost hai, ye dost hain. Ye dost hai. Okay, so that concludes our lesson. It's quite short because the plural pronoun are quite the same as the singular pronoun. And if you like this video, consider sharing it, subscribing it and liking it. And I will post a lot more videos and content like this in the future, along with the vocabulary, the phrases, expressions and slangs. Have a really lovely day and I'm gonna see you later. Goodbye.